This case considered the issue of trusts for minors and whether or not an addition to an already created trust in favour of a child amounted to the creation of a separate trust, and invoke the taxing provisions of Section 102 of the Income Tax Assessment Act. In this case, a man created a trust in favour of his grandchild. The parent of the child made a gift to the trust of additional funds, and these funds were used to purchase shares. The Commissioner assessed the trustee on the income of the trust under Section 102 of the Income Tax Assessment Act, on the basis that the additional funds had created a trust in favour of a beneficiary of a child. They argued the additional funds created a trust. The trustee argued that some of the essential elements of a trust were missing, including the beneficiary and the terms of the trust. The trustee argued that to create something, one must bring it into being, cause it to exist, form it out of nothing, or bring it into legal existence, and since the parent of the child did none of these things, that they therefore did not create a trust in favour of the child. The Commissioner argued that it was irrelevant that a trust already existed, and that the trust that already existed could not create a trust for the property gifted to it by the parent. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the additional funds gifted to the trust by the father of the child amounted to a trust in itself, which activated Section 102. The court ultimately